Hey techies, welcome or welcome back to kaetalkstech. I'm Kay, so let's talk tech. So I'm going into the AI world to tell you about my impressions on coding. Um, I don't know at what point AI is going to be able to handle very complex code, but right now it can handle code that is somewhat simple. And that's an impact to entry level developers. So today I went to a presentation where they were showcasing different AI tools, and I saw Canva AI for the first time. Fabulous, absolutely loved it. It's kind of like a love-hate relationship, though, right? Because the better that the AI can do, the less that you need developers. And so, I started my career as a developer, so I still love developers, and I kind of don't appreciate it, but at the same time, if I'm a small business owner, which I am, I love it. You just tell it what it is that you want to create, and it will create a little app for you. So you don't have to wait until the functionality you want is created. You don't have to wait until it's available in the App Store or, excuse me, I'm sorry it's late. I'm yawning. You don't have to wait until it's available in some App Store or on some Play Store. You don't have to wait for that. You can create it yourself. Um, the use case was financial calculator. Um, Another use case was a budget. Another use case was calendar reminders. Calendars with reminders are already built in. Um, and there was another use case mentioned of a nutrition tracker. So, yeah, that was fabulous. There was another product called Sonu, which would create some original music for you. So, yeah, that was fantastic as well. Um, you know, as a person who works in tech, it's a bittersweet moment. It's bittersweet because the promise of technology to me is to make people's lives easier. And this certainly does make your life easier when you can say what you want and it will create it for you. That's fantastic. There was another product I can't remember the name of right now, but you could tell it what you wanted and it would create a presentation for you. And then you could download that presentation to PDF, PowerPoint, or Google Slides. So that was pretty cool too. Um, I could see, you know, I could see myself offering to write almost anything for anybody. I have the business knowledge context to know what to write, and now I have the tools to help me write it. I might leave y'all. I might be doing something different in tech in a minute. um, a lot of these things could probably also be done with Copilot or Claude or ChatGPT. Um, but I thought, and I've used those for different things. Um, some not uh, somewhat similar to the use cases I just gave you, and they did a decent job, but Canva AI blew it away. I just, I have to be truthful about it. Some time ago, I looked at this product called Tascade that created flowcharts for you, and it wasn't perfect, but it was helpful because flowcharting is a time-consuming thing. Um, so my point here is get to know some tools, put them in your repertoire. Pretty much everything that you are used to doing, that is time consuming, there's some sort of tool that can cut that work from hours to minutes, from days to minutes. So that's what gives you a competitive edge. And once you know those tools, you have to find a way to work them into your resume, right? Where you can say, listen, I do this and I use these tools to do it. Because that's going to give you an edge and make you more competitive too. Okay, that's it. That's all I have for you today. Like the video, share the video, follow the channel, check me out on kaetalkstech.com. Let me know what sort of coaching you need, and I'll do my best to help you. And then come back here where we will again talk tech. Bye.